After cleaning, the seeds are crushed into smaller pieces to expose the internal oil-rich portions. This crushing stage increases the surface area for subsequent processes, enhancing efficiency in oil extraction. The crushed material then undergoes a process called flaking, where it is flattened into thin sheets. Flaking helps to further break down the cell structure. The next major step is cooking, where the flakes are heated under controlled conditions. Cooking not only softens the material but also deactivates enzymes that could degrade the oil quality. Following this, the cooked flakes enter the pressing stage. In modern feed oil processing, solvent extraction is often employed after pressing to recover the remaining oil. Hexane is commonly used as a solvent due to its effectiveness and safety. The mixture of solvent and oil is separated through distillation, leaving behind clean oil. Finally, the crude oil undergoes refining processes including deguming, neutralization, bleaching. Throughout this process, the principles of physics, chemistry, and engineering are integrated to optimize yield and quality while minimizing waste. Each step plays a vital role in transforming raw oilseeds into usable oil products.